Okay, this is the PCIP terminal installation video for the M4240, which is the Bluetooth model, and today we're going to be connecting it through IP, Internet Protocol, so it can connect through the Internet and not tie up a phone line. So, step one, this is the base unit which charges the machine when it's sat on it. We just need to get the serial cable, which is included in the box, which is a cable with two clear plastic ends, and the first time that we install it we have to pair the machine and the wireless access point. So one end goes into the green serial port and then the other goes into the green serial port on the back of the wireless access point. We then need to give the wireless access point internet access, so plug the Cat5e Ethernet cable into the back of your internet router. You should have 4 ports available, and then pop the other end into the net port on the back of the wireless access point. We then need a power source for both of them, so one goes into the back of the wireless access point, and you'll hear it beep and the green light will come on, and then the other needs to go into the power point on the base unit of the machine, and then you can pop the terminal on it and you'll see the red charging light come on the side. Press down and hold the blue function key, which will power the terminal up. And also make sure that you've installed the receipt with the paper coming out from the bottom underneath, because it'll only print on one side of the paper. You'll hear the terminal beep and it'll turn on and it'll start its boot. Okay, so you'll see C install guide, and we need to press the blue function key, go to deployment configuration, and then Bluetooth configuration. It's going to be going through the Ethernet as it's an IP terminal, and then we want to say yes, start pairing with BT gate. Once you get the message saying that everything's okay and giving the MAC address, you can then press enter to continue, and you'll then get the address for the router, and then you press enter to start the pairing process. The pairing's complete, so you press the enter key to continue. You'll then get a message saying IP from DHCP. You want to say yes, and then press the enter key when it's configured. We don't want to configure a download host, so say no, and it'll take you back to the deployment configuration menu. We then want to go to number 4, which is download now. You'll then get a message saying this action may delete transactions, settle now, press cancel to exit. The terminal hasn't done any transactions, so it's not a problem and you can press enter. You'll see it connect, and then you'll get the message processing and then download in process. As this is an internet IP one, the download should go really quickly. And there you go. When the status bar gets to 100%, it's complete, and then the terminal will restart itself after it's verified the download. There we go, we've got the success error message. And the terminal's just going to restart itself. You'll now see that C install guide has changed to Elevon because it's now downloaded all of its host settings and its terminal profile. It'll complete a self-test just to make sure everything's okay, and you'll get a message saying error transaction memory. We've not done any transactions yet, so it's completely normal and you can press enter. It'll then try and auto-detect a pin pad. As it's a Bluetooth model, you wouldn't ever be using a pin pad with it, so it's not going to find one. And that's it. Once you can see the main screen, everything's good to go. What you can now do, as the unit and the wireless access point have now paired themselves with each other so they can communicate through Bluetooth, you can actually take out the pairing cable, keep it in the box just in case you ever do need to repair it if it ever loses the signal. And then what you can actually do is put your wireless access point in a central location so that it broadcasts a range all around your business, and then your Bluetooth unit can just go somewhere convenient near your point of sale where your customers are going to be using it. It is now fully Bluetooth. You can pick it up and walk up to 200 feet away from the wireless access point and still process cards and have all the functionality on the terminal as well. The first time that you get it, it is highly recommended that you do leave it on charge until the red light turns green, meaning that the battery's full. Thank you very much, hope this helps.